What a stupid story. I don't think a Caledonian 652 would have problems with a Q1 tender engine. Huh? Where does this track go? An old shed. Well, I can rest here, but before I do, I have to turn around at Wellsworth first.
Oh my Saint Pancras, it's the Slender engine. What in St. Pancras' station was that?
Well, I'm staying here tonight. What? Oh, right.
Good thing you didn't forget to say it was false. I knew you both would know about the Slender engine. We can't let Percy know. He'll keep having nightmares and sleep problems. Big City, wake up! Your train for the mainland is ready.